Ritvik, and then the flow will be going on. And in the end, I'll be giving a conclusion. So I will really like to Ritvik for take over.
Thank you, Neeraj. Good morning, sir. Fresh fruits and vegetable holds immense health benefits. So our real fruit juice is the best fruit juice in India. It's also varies in 16 delicious fruit juices today. Real juice is voted as super brand in India. Also by the consumers, it is voted as the most trusted fruit juice in India for 4 consecutive years. Now I'll be passing it to Dominic, who will tell you guys about the flavors.
Good morning, all. Real Fruit Power, the team we represent, has a variety of 16 fruit flavors ranging from Indian mango, Mozambique, uh, lychee, guava to foreign favorites like pomegranate, tomato, apricot, blackcurrant, plum, and the basic apple, mixed fruit, pineapple, etc. And we do have mocktail recipes to offer a more customized version of our flavors. And now we have Saira with matters related to price. Over to you, Saira.
Yeah, real juice is preferred by all the customers, and we've had positive results. Talking about the price, for a 150 to 200 ml real juice Tetra pack, it would cost around 10 to 20 rupees. And for a 1 liter Tetra pack juice, real juice, it would cost around 80 to 100 rupees, which is pretty affordable and cheap by every to every customer, and when compared to our competitors. So Erin will be taking over now.
So I will be telling the reason why Dabur Real Juice had a unique. So they were the first mover advantage. So they introduced the concept of Tetra packs to Indian consumers, and they usually make the juice with concentrated juice extracts, and more than 30 plus flavors are there, both international and Indian flavors like blueberry, blackberry, Canberry, lychee, etc. And their promotion policies where they're giving free juice packs to schools for their sports events, and whenever they introduce new flavors in the market, they give a sampling or testing sessions to people so that they will get an experience to the new flavors. And one more thing, it is the first Indian brand who got the certification of SGS. So next, Swati will say.
So I'll be talking about why the retailer should select our brand, that is Real Fruit Juice, because it contains a real fruit and it has the highest level of nutrients. Plus, for it is very healthy and natural, and so it is very beneficial for the consumers who are very health conscious. Like all this in this modern day of hectic schedule, enjoying a glass of juice is much more convenient than munching on the fruits. Plus it is very pretty much affordable, and also it's very wide range of flavors, so the customers can select according to their taste and preference. So over to you, Jojo.
Real juice has been made from the best quality fruit. There's sweet fruits and so it offers your kids unused at a great taste, but also fruit power, the power of fruits, power to stay.
Melvin, I think you're left out.
No, I'm here.
Okay, let me jump in there and talk about the demographic that we are looking for. The main price range that we have is like 70 to 100, and for this demographic, I think we basically aim at people who want to make mocktails and who are very health conscious. And in India, the kind of society we live in, that's a very major factor. And the marketing strategies that we inculcate into our brand is very much surrounding this factor, and that's why you will be able to see first thing that you step into a supermarket, the first thing that we'll be seeing is a Real Active juice. And because all brands know that, okay, this is going to sell because the nutrition and the fruit factor and everything consisting of a healthy diet is consistent of this. So I think paying 70 rupees or 90 rupees for a very healthy morning drink is not much to ask for. So I think that's a very good strategy that we are following. I think that's everybody, right? I think Melvin is the only one who is left out.
No, now I'm here. Neeraj, hello.
Yeah, Melvin, please go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, sir. What's the specialty of our product is at quality? The real Tropicana, the real juice won't give any. The real juice won't give any compromise in the quality of the product, and we use for the manufacturing. We do not use the mangoes which are imported from other countries. We use the mangoes which are being cultivated and being grown in the India itself. That's the main specialty, to help the farmers, the mango farmers from India itself. That's one of the another key specialty. We must boost and help our country's economy. Thank you.
I would also like to jump in and make another point, which is I don't want to talk bad about the competitions, but I think we have been the stepping stone for all the companies that have come after us, because we launched the sugar-free drink way before any of the competition. And right now, people are jumping into that market of having new lean juice that they are saying. But I think we were the pioneers of that industry. And we were able to give a healthy option to people who wanted to have a control over their sugar intake, which is a major factor. And if you're talking about personal experiences, I think I've had much more bad experiences with other brands. I have read stories. I have had my personal experiences about how a juice has gone bad, and I have never had those personal experiences about Real. I think that's also a major factor. So the customer experience and the customer outlook to the brand has been very consistent regarding our brand, but other people have been trying to cope up so badly that I don't think they'll be able to in the coming years at least. So that's our overview of the entire product, and I hope everybody has understood what our brand is ready to offer, and always go for Real Juice. That's it. Thank you.
So, okay, good, Neeraj team. So I will come back to you after Tropicana team. Yes.
Awesome.
Yes, team Tropicana. All
Yes,
the
sir.
members, please assemble. Yes, who is the leader?
Josephine, sir.
Yes. So please, all of you, switch on your mic. So I'm unable to see the people. Switch on the video and the mic. Josephine, all are here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So just to start, so as he said, Neeraj said, Dabur has initiated this Real Juice. Okay, how you are going to counterpart it? Because if you go to any supermarket, these two people are like a Pepsi and Coke. How you are going to overcome their brand, their consistency, their quality, etc. So there is no need to explain the concepts like this, but you have to defend their points.
Yes, sir. As they have said that Real Juice is one of the best or the first top juice in the India, but we are saying that the Tropicana juice is the world #1 juice brand. It's the first point, and it's a 100% juice, which having the different varieties and nutritions. Now taking over to GB Shaji. Will continue.
So, since all of us know Tropicana is a healthy made fruit juice, I would like to start on with one unique process which we do, like only Tropicana industry have come upon, and this is called a flash pasteurization method. Like this is one of the unique method which our company follow. This is basically it's an extraction method of fruit to form the juice. This is where a method of direct or maximum utilization or maximum extraction of nutrients and nutrients and vitamins are taken through exposure of heat. This is one of the method which we follow. And then I'd also like to talk about the vitamins, the vitamin factor, as this mainly focus on one's health perspective. It has more of vitamin C and vitamin D. Vitamin C, it helps in the immunity system, betterment of immunity system. And vitamin D, as you all know, it helps for our bones, teeth, muscles, and etc. And one of the factor which I like to tell is the sodium content. Compared to any other juice, Tropicana use the less amount of sodium. So this reduces the chances of blood pressure, heart attacks, kidney stones, and etc. Thank you. I like to now Alan will continue on. So.
Who is next? Please complete fast. Another team is waiting.
Sir, our product is Tropicana. It has been manufacturing since 1947. Our product contains various nutrients like vitamin A, B, C, which are essential for our health. Many people are having health concerns on these kind of soft drinks, but our product is 100% healthy drink because it is a natural product and there is no added sugar or preservatives. Apart from this, it is a significant source of potassium. Potassium, which is essential.
You are speaking about Tropicana, right?
Yes.
So as you stated, there is no sugar, right?
Yes.
But
no added
whenever I am
sugar.
giving work, I also do assignment parallelly, but I found from their website 30 grams sugar.
Sir, there's a correction to that. That is fruit sugar that is added, that is 30 grams. But we don't have an external sugar adding to that. If you take a pack of Tropicana, you can see only one segment called this thing, natural sugar content from fruit. That is the natural sugar content. There is no added sugar content.
Fine. So did you compare with the Real Active? What is their sugar level?
There is two sectors in Real Juice, which is called the natural sugar extraction, as well as artificial, that is added sugar, which will come up which is close to 40%. And another point that I want to contradict to what the other franchisee said was that they came up with a unique product called no sugar drink. Okay. So I would strongly recommend, or from my feelings, I will tell that Real Juice have given people the earth, they've made people consume a lot of sugar, which they have got diabetes, and they have gotten a solution to that. So the main cause is their own company, and the main solution that we are trying to take is our own company. And talking about Tropicana as a specific company, we've got a wide range of 30 flavors in it, which has total of 9 flavors, okay, which has oranges. So we are mainly focusing on oranges. So the history behind Tropicana is we used to import oranges from Florida. So what happened was our expertise went, and then there was a huge, at 1980s time, there was a huge famine or a huge disease that spread because all these farms were infected. So as soon as that we got to know about that, we disclosed the deal with them, and we started dealing from Brazil. So our oranges are mainly imported from Brazil. So we make sure that there is 100% safety and there is no compromise on what we deliver to people.
Why? So what is the specialty of Brazil? If you something from Brazil, it should be having high quality. No corona there?
Sir, it's not about corona, sir. See, oranges are the remedies for corona, I would say, because immunity, as well as it builds in immunity which can fight corona, as well as there is something called, I forgot.
Okay, so yes, so now the discussion why I initiated is when you speak about ingredient, mean exactly go to the comparison. So I had a comparison. It might be you might be having something extra in terms of calories. Both are giving same calories for 100 ml, 48 calories. So comparison, both are same. Then if I compare, if I speak for Dabur, assume that I'm speaking for Dabur. You have to counter it. It's for all anyone can answer, right? With respect to the sugar, as a Dabur, our contribution is only 12 gram, whatever it may be, added sugar. Sugar is sugar. Sugar is a sugar. But in Tropicana, it is a 13 gram, 1 gram is extra. In terms of protein content, it is in terms of fat content, we are 0. There is no protein, there is no fat. But in your company, Tropicana, protein 0.1 gram and fat is 0. So this says that comparatively, Dabur is better. What is the company name of Tropicana?
Sir, that we have come up with PepsiCo, our main franchisee. Okay, so the main deal why we came up, the main concept that we came
PepsiCo.
up with this thing, to answer to that question, we came up with this concept called good quality nutrition for the world. Okay, so wherein we had fizzy drinks.
Yes, Sam, just to hold on. What is your tagline? We have a company, PepsiCo. There the company is Dabur. What is the brand here? PepsiCo, it is Tropicana. There Dabur, it is a Real Active. Both are juice-based drink. Okay. What is your tagline?
Sir, that Cheryl. Hello, sir. That and all.
Another team, please repeat with your tagline.
Let's make breakfast 100%.
100% juice. Fantastic. Real Active, their tagline is 100% juice. What is the counter tagline you are having? You are having?
Let's make breakfast 100%.
Sir? For Real
let's
Active,
make breakfast 100%.
Yes, for Tropicana. I am asking to Tropicana team.
Sir, Tropicana only he told, sir. Alan is from our team.
Sorry, you have to check the tagline. Real Active, they are positioning us 100% juice. Tropicana, they are positioning us #1 juice brand in the world. Both are having the same meaning, but they are positioning a little bit different. So here also I am unable to see much difference in terms of Tropicana. So Dabur is from the India-based, Ayurvedic-based quality company. PepsiCo is very good in branding. But how I can prefer Tropicana? I'm not having that much brand.
When it comes to fruit juices, there is enough and more immunities. There is enough and more content in the fruit to handle us. So we don't need any sort of Ayurvedic stuff to enhance it, because too much of goodness.
Yes, that I understood, Sam. What I'm saying about the background, they are from Dabur. Dabur is a pharmaceutical company, basically. They know how to heal the disease. As you're speaking about the disease, I'm speaking. But what about the PepsiCo? They are an entertainer. They are a soft drink
company, sir. We are beverage. We are a beverage company.
Beverages.
We have more license to
beverages, you are a soft drink. Soft drink. Only Tropicana is a fresh juice. Otherwise, it is a soda-based, carbonated-based, packed drink. It is not equal to health or some pharma-related. So here I am checking. Dabur is Ayurvedic health-related product. Pepsi is just aerated water. How the aerated water company launching a very good product? I am not having belief on that. The same question I asked earlier to my company. I'm just asking to you.
That belief, sir. Can you repeat?
Dabur have good trust among the Indians' mind because it is pharma-related company. With respect to PepsiCo, it is just a soft drink. Whoever want to refresh, those who have disease, they won't drink Pepsi. Those who want to entertain, adventurous, so its segment is different. But with respect to juice-based drink, is mainly focused on the health. How the refreshing company can become a health-related product company.
Sir, first of all,
Samjad, did you muted others not to speak?
No, not at all. They are processing, sir.
We have to rotate. We have to rotate. I want to see all the faces. You are looking so good, but I want to see all other faces.
So the stereotype that Dabur is a Ayurvedic company, so that real juice should be Ayurvedic too, means it is much more healthier, is actually wrong, because though they say that it's 100% juice, but in reality it's not 100%. It's actually added flavor. with a very
Speak about
little
you,
content.
sir, not about the competitor. I'm asking about
Yeah,
strength
so
of you. Yes.
coming to Tropicana, we are 100% juice. We are not any added flavor. We are 100% juice. We don't add any some sodium. I think there is a content which actually makes the other competitor very sour taste. On the other hand, our all natural is sugary and it doesn't makes our tongue taste very bad.
Fine. So let me call one person to say which is better. Rachel Tom is a new joiner. Is he here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So kindly switch on your video. Welcome.
Yes.
Welcome to
Thank you, sir.
School of
Thank you, sir.
Management, Jayanti College, and welcome to Marketing Management. So this is the introduction for you. Rachel, you are listening to these people, okay?
Yes,
Real
sir.
Juice and Dabar, sorry, Real
Tropicana.
Juice and Tropicana. Okay, so what's your opinion? According to you, which is a better brand and why?
So according to me, I might go for Tropicano because
Not your assumption, but with their presentation.
your
You can-
presentation. Presentation wise, I might go for Tropicano.
Why? What the real active missed out?
I don't think that they missed out anything, but I felt more impressed with the like the range of flavors they presented, and the way they clarified about the sugar content.
Okay, so we'll go back to Dabur because we are not allowed Dabur to defend. So they are not explained. Yes, Dabur, somebody just explained for this question. The statement is you are not explained the ingredients properly. So if you explain me, Rachel will be comfortable with your product. Somebody can?
Yeah, so I think Tropicana talked about 9 flavors, whereas Dominic talked about 14.
But we are unable to recollect. We are speaking about presentation.
16
Yeah, sir.
flavors. Hello,
Yeah,
that is
exactly.
16, not 14.
Yeah, Dominic talked about in detail about these 16 flavors, and I think Rachel missed out on that. But about the sugar content, I would really like to bring the attention of the Tropicana team that, as you said, we cause the diabetes. But if you look at Pepsi, they have been causing diabetes from the start of it. And so you cause the diabetes and we are trying to cure it. So I don't know where you're getting the facts from. And you talk about sodium being there in our product and not in yours. If you look at a packaged product, preservatives are going to be there. And we are trying to reduce it to a level which is not at all affecting the health of people. And if you say that you're not adding preservatives to your soft drinks, then I would really like you to check your facts, because the amount of preservatives in
soft drinks we have to add, sir. Soft drink is different. This juice based is different, right?
Even if it's a health product, sir, preservatives are going to be there because it's going to be on the shelf. Because
then you also can't claim. Then you also can't claim 100% juice. We cannot keep the 100%. We have to do some fermentation. We have to do some activities.
Yeah, for sure, we have to. But we are keeping it to a level which is so minimal that it is not affecting the health of people.
What is the minimum means what?
I can't give you a percentage on it because I'll have to look at the products. Manufacturing level. But as a Dabur being an Ayurvedic brand,
Tropicana don't want to claim without knowing the proper data. Tropicana don't want to claim as 100%. They said they are #1 juice brand in the world. They never claim with 100% juice. As you are claiming as 100%, you should be clear on the topic.
Yeah, sir. And we, as an Ayurvedic brand, we won't be getting into a conflict with the health of the customer, because that's what the first thing is. Profits and everything comes last. But if you look at the consumer's health, then of course, if a consumer is having a Dabur product, he's much more healthier than a Pepsi product.
Why? What is lacking in Tropicana?
It's not about the lack, sir. It's about the way that we present our brand. It's not that they are lacking in any
Tell me what is the specialty from the product.
Can I please mention a point? So, see, you spoke about sodium. So we are not Coca-Cola, we are not Pepsi. Okay, just for your information, we are Tropicana. Okay, there is no carbonation, there is nothing. We are talking about fruit. Okay, there is nothing called fizz coming up here. Second point is we were talking about sodium. So what high level sodium in any person's body can do is it increases high BP, it increases inflammation and also fatty liver in any person. Any age group or whatever that they face, these are the problems of sodium which the so-called pharmaceutical company or so-called health-oriented company is telling that we just add a little bit, but not as much as yours, or we use a little more than yours. That's not something that we can compromise on.
Okay, I'd like to add upon with what Sam said. Since we have, compared to any other brands, sodium level in our juice is really less. And additional to that, to compensate the sodium level, we also have the mineral called as potassium, which will reduce BP, stroke, kidney stone. And I don't think any other brands other than Tropicana has focused on the sodium part. And when telling about the flavors, like above said, we didn't say that we have just 9 flavors. We said 9 flavors of orange only and 30 different other flavors. Yeah, thank you.
3-0.
Yeah, not just about flavors. We're also having various different types, varieties in.
Yes, Stefano, you are right. So I want to ask the same question to Sam because he's so aggressive in defending.
Here, sir, what to do of this company?
Sir, I just have one more thing to put in on. So I just came across one of this article of January 2015. It was said that real juice, the Tetra pack of real juice, when
high fiber and low fiber.
Stefano is speaking. He is unable to listen you. Stefano is continually speaking.
Okay, so yeah, when the customer was literally is opening the Tetra pack and he could find some black particles inside that, and so that basically brings down the drop of real fruit in based on quality. See, black dust particles in a fresh juice, and how will customer have a trust on real juice, and how will they focus on future, like how will they be assured on their health and all? So black particles, if it's not healthy, well, how can they determine, or how can they stress on the health factor?
Right. Let me defend my brand regarding that. I'll tell you the main reason I stopped drinking Tropicana. I'll tell you, you read an article, let me give you a personal experience. I bought Tropicana from a supermarket. I literally found fungus in it. And I had to get in contact with the, returns team. They took almost 3 weeks to return the product and give me an exchange for it. So you're telling me that if you look at our brand, we'll be able to do it in a week. And if it took them 3 weeks to give me a product that I wanted to drink on that day because I found fungus in it, then how are you going to say that your product is much better than ours?
Okay, I'll tell you
I
one
bought a real juice and even that has fungus and the company rejected my return. What about that?
So
you didn't tell us before. You're telling it after I said it.
Someone else get this.
Yeah, because you don't have any.
So when you're telling about the fungus,
Sir, you are moving from the brand and then you moved into ingredient. Now you jumped into complaint. I'm speaking about product. You have, both the people have nothing apart from your ingredient. Both the people have nothing apart from the complaining about the competitors. Please think.
No, sir. If okay, let me talk about my product.
Please listen. In marketing, if you start speaking about the opposite or competitors negative, we will lose our control. That becomes the advantage for the customers. So always try to project only your positive things. If something is negative strongly, means accept. Yes, that might happen rarely. That's it. If you start arguing, means you please listen all your video faces. We will become aggressive. That means that we feel guilty. It should not be. For the market, it should not be. Yes. So for example, I want to add real active. You are speaking about the ranges. Okay. For example, Tropicana, they are having orange, apple, mixed fruit, pineapple, guava, etc. The same thing is available in Real Active, but additionally, they are having one special product which may not be in Tropicana, that's called as Real Active Fiber variants. Fiber. This fiber may not be in Tropicana, but nowadays the doctors are saying fiber content is more important rather than the apple or other thing. And they have a cucumber, they have a spinach, they have a carrot. But if you come to Tropicana, I mean, mostly it is orange, apple, mixed with normally fruits. But when it comes to real juice, whatever is recommended by the doctor, carrot, spinach, cucumber, beetroot, fiber. This is mostly preferred, but the Dabur people are not mentioned about this. If you just click the website, this will be available.
Then I don't think you can call that a fruit juice, sir.
Yes?
You can't call that a fruit juice then.
Juice-based drink. The topic is juice-based drink. You only chosen fruit. Yes. Okay, thank you, friends. Thank you for the discussions. Have a healthy discussion. We will move on to the next because we have only few minutes more. Thank you. So yes, glucose and glucon D, please come on. Thank you. So very nice job done by both the team. Both the teams can switch on your video and audio because we have only few minutes. We have to go into the key points because already in the juice-based drink we discussed more. Yes, somebody will start, some group from the Dabur glucose. Anyone just a brief about positive things. Anyone. Then we will go for a discussion. At the time others can answer. Who is starting it? Dabur glucose.
So I would like to start.
Yes, sir.
So good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. The company Dabur has a history of 120 years, and they used natural ingredients. And the product which we are going to market is glucose, Dabur glucose. It has a lot of enriched values like vitamin D, calcium, assimilation, and replenishment. So, as an athlete or as a like sports person, like there's one requirement that everyone has. Like when you have a break or anything, like you really want to have something energetic. So glucose is something that you have been like consuming from the time we were really young. So the company which I would like to focus is Dabur. So Dabur has a history of 120 years, and it uses all natural ingredients.
Abhi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My grandfather might be having a 500 years of lot of achievements, but the question is, what about me? Likewise, Dabur is maybe having a lot of positive experience. What about your glucose? Brand value is there, fine. Glucose, Dabur glucose. Yes, next person.
Sir, here Dabur glucose D enriched with vitamin D and the calcium for easy assimilation. And
Sivasankar, as we have a shortage of time, I'm just interrupting. All the glucose will have the same ingredients.
Yes,
sir. The ingredients both are, if you take any glucose, the ingredients, the quality of it will be different, how it flow will be different. Correct? Whatever you are saying, like the juice also, Dabur both, 95% both will be similar. Only thing how we brand. Now I'm come back to the special things.
Okay.
Sir, I would like to interrupt Shiva. Sir, our main ingredient is dextrose monohydrate, and when it comes to glucon D, it's fructose. So now I would like to say why dextrose is better than fructose. Dextrose is actually the primary source of energy for all cells, including the brain cells. And when it comes to the absorption part, it's directly absorbed to the blood cells. And so, and when it comes to fructose, the digestion part is comparatively low than fructose. So, according to a study,
one point enough. Fine, fantastic point, technical point. Next one. Next one. Dabur glucose. Any other point? Because we have a bit of time.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Actually, our product is more focusing to the type of people, which include adults, children, and sports person, because as we know that they require more energy as compared to the usual ones.
All the glucose will be focused on that only, sir. They won't focus on the normal people. If we say glucose, it should be for the kids, or it for the adult, or for the weak person.
And sports person, yeah.
Because it is the energy giver. What special you are having? What special? I am unique, sir. This is not available in glucon D. Okay, so hold on. We will speak 2 minutes. Hello, sir. And we will come back. Wait. We have only 3 minutes, Anthony. We will come back. Okay. Yes, glucon D. Glucon D team, please switch on. Others, please switch off. Please switch on your audio also.
My camera, sir. So I'm having some issue in my camera, sir.
No problem, Joel. Please continue.
Sir, so we welcome to the glucon D, and my teammates would be addressing about the brand and the components in our.
Yes, Joel. The first question: glucon D belongs to which company?
So at present, sir, before it was a part of the world's 4th largest FMCG, that is Heinz, but now it's a part of Citus Wellness, which is a company which is based having a 45-30 years of experience in health products only,
Yes,
just
good,
producing
good, good.
sugar-free
Next
products.
topic, next topic, good, good. Next topic.
And so I would like to open up with Abhirami. She would be introducing about our product.
Good morning, everybody. Glucon-D is an instant energy drink that's manufactured by
Abhirami,
Hens.
I'm unable to see you. I'm just.
Sir, I have a network issue, so that's the reason I'm not owning my video.
Okay.
So it's an energy drink that's manufactured by Hens, an American company. The Indian affiliate of Hens company started manufacturing in 1994. On October 24th, an Ahmedabad-based company.
Abhirami, we have less time to speak about the history. Straight, what is your plus? We already, it's time, it's high time. We'll take only 2 to 3 minutes extra because that's high time. Just to sharp, what is your positive?
So for start, I would just tell that it's an instant drink that's available in a powdered form that's preferred by all age groups, especially for sportsmen and patients.
Okay, good.
I would like to give it to Joel for marketing strategy.
Yeah, I will be telling about the marketing strategy. As all know that it uses an aggressive kind of marketing strategy, and to be honest, Glucon-D has a 60% share of the glucose powder in India at present, and it is established from the year 1975, not like Dabur, which was established later on in 1989. And the fact about the marketing strategy, that is, it has a well-connected network of distributors and suppliers. That is, approx 1900 distributors are there in India, and retailers are there around 8.45 lakhs at present in 2020 statistics.
Yes, Joel.
And in that scenario,
yes, Joel. So I am interrupting in between because we have a shortage of time. As you are speaking, is they are having very good distribution. When you compare to the Dabur, they are having around 200 different products. At least each product will reach all type of outlet. Comparing to
hypermarkets, online
availability
stores,
of a
petty
product
shops.
of Dabur is 100%. So the distribution is so strong in Dabur. You have only one main product, Glucon-D. How you can reach all the people?
So we were established all before 1975, sir. From that present stage, you can
Don't
see
speak
the
about
statistics
story,
only.
sir. Don't speak about the story. I am speaking about current scenario. Distribution of Glucon-D, distribution of glucose. I say distribution of Dabur glucose is very easy because they have very depth and breadth of distribution system. Because they have a range of product, they can sell in medical shop, they can sell in petty shop, they can sell in supermarket. Because at least one product will be there. But for you only there is Glucon-D major.
Yeah, Glucon-D is also there, but and Complan, sir.
Both the things are premium, sir. You cannot sell in petty shop, but I can sell a paste. I can sell a small shampoo in petty shop, so the entry is possible for Dabur.
Yes, sir. In that way, sir, they
So
have.
you have to skip this point. You have to skip this point. Move to the next plus.
Okay, sir. So, and next thing is that they have a great campaign, high quality campaigns. That was a brand success for them. Like some of the campaign, like Sirf Pani Nahi, Glucon-D, Khel Ke Pehle, Glucon-D. So these were the effective like campaigns. And one of the effective campaign that they did on Mother's Day, that Energy Ghar Ki, that was that they removed the name Glucon-D from there and they posted the picture of a mother, showing that the mother is the epitome of infinite energy and who can match the Glucon-D's energy. And they also introduced a new product, the Immune Volt, for the immunity of every age, for the children as well as for the people, tablets for increasing the immunity during this COVID season. So Glucon-D is keeping up with the time for the people, understanding their needs and doing for the welfare of the people.
Okay, good. So final chance to Dabur people to add anything ahead of Glucon-D. Anyone from Dabur team? Yes, Lino. So as they said, so I will say the positive in
Excuse me, sir.
consolidate.
Excuse me, sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. As the Linu mentioned before, that the Glucon-D is using fructose. To be honest, sir, the fructose is a sugar, is a sugar from the fruits, and rather the dextrose is from the corn. And actually, we are having 99.5% of dextrose equivalent. That is a reducing sugar level compared to the Dabur, which is having 99.4. So we are having less sugar compared to the Dabur, sir.
Yes, thank you.
To be corrected to on that note.
Yes, Lino. I will say some more positive or negative of Dabur, further you have to counter. Okay, Glucon-D is one main brand. For a Glucon-D, it is very easy to promote the product because they have one main brand. But in terms of Dabur, they have a ranges of product. When the salesman go to the outlet, it's very difficult to sell glucose. If you ask why, means I will tell a lot of reasons. Okay, and when I am inquiring in the market, when I am working in the market also, Glucon-D, there is no offer. Okay. Dabur glucose, there can be a 3+1 offer, 2+1 offer, 5+. So they will give more offers. That means that acceptance in the market is very less. And it is another saying that the taste of Glucon-D cannot be competed by Dabur or anything. So they said that Glucon-D flow is very nice, taste is very nice, packaging is very nice. So you can compare Dabur package and Glucon-D package. So before 3 years, how it comes means Glucon-D will be only 100 gram, but in terms of Dabur glucose, they will say 100 plus 33% free or 25. So even they are giving less price, more discount, 33% or minimum 25% more, the acceptance of Dabur is very less. But if you come to Glucon-D, their main brand is Glucon-D, and they have another things called as orange they are having, white they are having, Nimbu Pani, lemon they are having. So they have a variety also. So
we have 8 flavors.
I feel Glucon-D is very good in branding, very unique. So just to counter it. With this, we can close the session. Product,
So
they
when
are
it
better.
comes to
Price,
pricing,
you are costly. Distribution, even you have a lot of things, but they are focusedly working. So the distribution is very nice. Promotion, you spending more amount in promotion, but the sales is not coming out. This is my opinion. It happened before 10 years. So now what is the trend? You can explain. Richu can add it, anything?
sir, when it comes to the price, our product is less cheaper than Glucon-D because for a 200 gram product, we are costing only 30 rupees, and for Glucon-D it's 36 rupees, and the same color, they both have same calorific value, and the glucose content is 99.4% in both. So what's the point of that 6 rupees increase? I don't know.
Okay.
Sir, to be honest, like for every 100 gram of packet of Glucon-D, it's around 18 rupees, and for the 100 gram of glucose D of Dabur, it's 18.5. And when you buy a 1 kg of Glucon-D, that is for 185 rupees, you get 1.2 kg. That is 1 kg 200 gram extra. And when you buy a Dabur one, they will have a price tag of 195 with a Dabur toothpaste. In that scenario, sir, they are helpless that they have to sell another product also in that craving to sell their product. But in our case, sir, we are not doing such type of marketing. We are purely depending on the quality, and we believe our heritage. That's why.
Yes, counter answer. Because as they said, Glucon-D, even they are giving discount, or they will give Glucon-D free, but you are dumping toothpaste, dumping toothbrush. It is no way benefit to the sports person or anyone. Last defending point, with this we will close because we took 5 minutes extra.
So how can you say that we are dumping? Isn't that?
Ma'am, I need energy drink, but you are giving toothpaste. How I can mix these things?
Sir, both are essential. Both are necessary.
Both are, it is essential in the early morning. Glucose is essential by 10 o'clock. Please understand. I'm just saying it is a class promotion. Those who are looking only for glucose will not be supported. Is there any more point?
So I would like to add one more point, sir.
Sorry, Joel, already it's time now. Thank you. Thanks to Glucon-D. Thank you, Dabur Glucose. Both have plus. Just we have to find out what is plus, and we have to highlight what is only the positive thing. Don't speak about the negative of competitor. Thank you all the 4 teams. Happy learning. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.